Guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be doing the PUBG mobile gameplay test on my iPad 8th generation, and also I have made a separate video on how you can download PUBG mobile on your iPad or any other iOS devices that you have. The link will be in the description box down below. Go check it out, and also without wasting any more time, let's get started. Make sure that I am a very professional esports player, and so don't judge my game skills on the basis of my gameplay. And so let's start this video. So previously I have already made a gameplay test on my iPad 8th generation. Today let's do some PUBG gameplay test. Boy. And before we start playing it, please make sure that you have to install this VPN as well, so that the pin comes more or less. You have to open this and it. Okay, so here is, as you can see that I have set a VPN for Singapore. You have to just connect it so that the pin comes more or less, that is 42 or 33. This kind of pin will come. And okay, so as you can see it is successfully connected. Now let's go and open PUBG. Okay, so let me increase this volume. Okay, so it is compulsory to install any VPN, because or else your game will not work. Okay, so here you can see our pro player has come. Okay, so let's start some inventory and let's play. Let me turn it off. Okay, so as I have told you earlier that I am a very professional gamer, so you will be seeing this kind of. Okay, so there is no lag whatsoever. Okay, so more or less it's fine and it's working perfectly. Okay, so the advantage, as you can see, that the pin coming here is 72, which is quite less when you will be playing in your iOS devices. Yeah, boy. Okay, so I am playing in always gyro on. It supports gyro as well.
The blue team is in the lead. No mercy! Cover me!
Okay, so as you can see that the speakers are loud enough and it provides crystal clear audio as well. And Okay. Okay, so as you can see that there is no lag or anything like that.
No mercy! Reloading! Dead! Killing spree for the blue team! Target down!
Blue team victory!
Okay. Next. Okay, so if you play continuously, then you might get some hitting issues as well. But if you
Match. Let's
don't
go.
play very much, then there will be no hitting issues whatsoever.
Blue team! Killed!
Wow!
Target down! Cover me! Dead! Reloading! Cover me! Reloading! Clear! Killing spree for the blue team!
Very good.
Nice shot! Reloading! Cover me!
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
So let's see if we can win this match or not.
Enemy down! Reloading! Target down!
Great! You're about to win!
Nice shot!
Blue team victory!
Okay, so one last thing which I would like to show you, that the settings, that is the graphic settings which I usually play is smooth extreme. You will get also balanced HD, HDR and Ultra HD is also available here as well. You can set the frame rates as well according to your choice, and these are the settings, that is the smooth and extreme which I usually play. And thanks for watching, and I would like to recommend you all that you can definitely purchase this iPad because it's good for gaming as well as doing other stuffs as well. And as you saw that there was no lag or any heating issues whatsoever. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who love gaming and are thinking of buying these kind of iPads for themselves. And thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.